Hello guys, good morning. Look, it's 9:30 now. Look, it's so foggy. Look, foggy weather. Look. Oh, hindi ko makita yung bahay ng mga neighbors namin guys, oh. Look, oh. So foggy. Hindi pa lumalabas si Haring Araw. Thank you to all my members, especially sa mga VIP members, sa Pauline MM Vlog, tsaka sa lahat ng mga members sa Pauline MM Vlog. Salamat guys sa inyong suporta. We have to get inside, it's cold.